Hey guys, let me get my hand off that. So I can't believe it. I hear rumbling outside my house, and I'm like, I'm just gonna check something out, and let's see if this will just turn around. There we go. And this is what I start seeing. This is, you can hear it. So this stuff shows up driving past my house. It's incredible, like, and it's such a cool lineup too. I guess it's like an invite-only event. So, but it just keeps going. There's all sorts of stuff here. So I'm going to show you something over here real quick because I want to go back. It says police escorted. So the police like drove it in. They had like 3 deep. So, but I want to show you this thing over here. Look at this thing.
Right, but what if it does and it's not
Try to get a good angle here. So that is some kind of truck piece with a mid-engine to it. I've never even seen anything like that before, but I'm guessing they gotta be local. So, but I'll show you some other stuff.
everything they use was like
Some of the guys have already left, but I guess they're gonna do some more stuff today. They asked me if I wanted to go. I'm like, I got stuff to do. But yeah, I was like, I'll at least give you guys a live show real quick. This is incredible. So look at that bad boy right there. That's insane. That one and this thing. This thing we've recorded before, but it's amazing. Yeah, it's non-stop goodness here at this. You're gonna walk in front of me, but oh well. I'll double back. There you go. Look at that. So you got a Viper. A little bit of that. I love this thing. Look at that. Incredible. So like I said, just randomly showed up at my house. Yeah, I know. They said there was 100 cars that came on this cruise. And I mean, a lot of them are here, but a lot of them already left too. So we're going to miss a couple. Top stop Impala right there, man. That thing is nice. Station wagon. Monte Carlo. Look at that thing. That. This Mustang. I've seen this before, but I think I've seen it up close. Daytona. Mustang. Look at that. That's the nose of choice right there. So, nice truck. Oh yeah. That thing right there. You can kind of sneak up with this truck. That's neat. Yeah. Then hiding over here. Look, this is still going. So the orange car is slow AMC, which it's the exact opposite of slow. Nova. It's going for big bucks right now. And that's a nice one too. Big truck. Nobody cares about parking. It's like a real open show. I love the feel of that. The slicks on that. This is my car right here. Yeah, oh, that's awesome. Corvette. Look at that anniversary. I'm thinking, I don't remember what year this was, but it's an anniversary. And this is identical to my car. That's what I own. And then the regular one. So then we have like a little vet over here. So yeah. So yeah, that's it. This is like shows up right below my house to see this out. I don't know, this Super Sport over here is like calling my name. That one right there behind me, that red one. But yeah, I love. They have a a Mustang over here. As I go, my head keeps swiveling into this, but a Mustang over here that's real nice. So yeah, but yeah, so I guess that's how it works nowadays. Car shows come to me. I don't actually go to car shows anymore. They just come to my house and drive past and wake me up and get stuff going. So I don't know, they're gonna be headed out in a couple of minutes, but yeah, I'll give you another arc overshot so you can see this. Hold on. So yeah, somebody was asking again. I just want to say, like, this was a, look at that. This was like an invite only event. I didn't even know about it. A couple of people asked me to if I wanted to be part of it after I caught it. But I was like, no, I'm all set. Like right now I got stuff I'm doing, so I really can't be a part of it. But I know you guys love seeing the live stuff, so I love giving it to you when I can. But this one, like I said, came to me. So, nice big truck. I wonder if that's a Bronco. This is another aisle over there I think I missed, but oh well. Like everybody's kind of parked in their corner areas, and look at that. That was the thing that got me, all those motorcycles. It was like a procession of them, and so you can see the cops over there, police escort, like, I don't know, it was like 4 to 6 police officers at least. And then all of a sudden I look down the street and there they are. They're pulling in behind my place. So I was like, you know what, I'll stop in and check it out. So I hope you guys dig it. I'm gonna post this up. It'll be on the YouTube thing too. So if you guys are on YouTube and checking this out, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget the bells and all the icons and stuff. And yeah, I would get mad fun of there. No, I brought out my Genesis, and so I'll show you this real quick so you can see my car. It's like I just pulled up right in the middle of the thing. I didn't want to invade people's space, but yeah, I pulled up in my car and they actually were like, hey, is that your white Genesis? And I was like, whoa, people know what it is. So that was kind of psyched about that. But yeah, so it was a good little event here. I got something for like 5-10 minutes out here. Now they're going to watch, I guess they're going to get some kind of movie thing, and everything's going to get blown up, and they get to check it out. I'm going to bet this is Rick's event. I'm going to put money on it that Rick put this together, and then I'm going to message him and say like, hey, was this you? And we'll check it out. So look in the comments and he'll be like, yeah, I did that and I didn't invite you. No, I didn't take it personal, but anyway, thank you guys for checking this out. Yeah, we'll be back soon. I got an event tomorrow, so if you get a chance to pull it in, it'll be earlier in the morning versus this thing at night. The sun's dropping out of the sky. Still, this right there, that thing right there, if you get a chance to come out and see that thing, we played it once on one of our other videos, and it is probably one of the best sounding cars ever. And that thing right there was clean. But then way back that green, if you guys get a chance to replay this, look at that. There you go, coming through. But if you get a chance to replay this, look for that green truck over there, because that green truck was like, that thing was sick. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to turn this off now, and I got to get back to my home and finish up my the work I'm doing. So I hate it. I really miss it. Look at this. Old trucks and cars. It's so awesome. All right, well, I got to go. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.